Hello guys, this is Vineet from Edge Forex. Today is 21st of August 2024. If you guys haven't joined our Discord channel, please do so by clicking the link in the description. There is lots of good stuff there and you're going to love it. So you're looking at the silver chart. It's a weekly chart, meaning every candle that you see, it depicts a week's worth of price action. And it's going back all the way back to 08, 09 period. So we're looking at about 15, 16 years worth of data in this particular chart. And you can see how silver went absolutely berserk in 2011, and it actually touched for a day, even just for a day, about $50. And then it had a solid crash coming in and losing about 80% of its value. So from the top to bottom, it was just about 80%. And today, I want to see where things are in relation to the past and how does silver look compared to gold. Okay, so let's just look at the silver chart first. Let's zoom in a little bit. So what we have seen is there's been a consolidation that's happening from the bottom around here on 2012, 2013, and it's going sideways, not really gone anywhere till around 2020. When COVID first started, and then since then it has this huge rounding bottoming pattern sideways, and then now after the rounding pattern, what it's done is it's created this really bullish flag here, and it's getting towards the top of the channel here. So once it breaks out, it's going to be fireworks for silver, and as percentage gain, it is going to do a lot better than gold. And other thing I wanted to show you guys, so the silver has not broken out yet, even though gold has. It broke out last month, and it's breaking all-time record highs, and it's at all-time high as we speak. Maybe not all-time high, maybe 10, 20, $30 below all-time high. So let's zoom out again a little bit. Let's go back to the same period. And let's zoom out like this. Alright, I want to capture that. Okay, so what I want to do now is overlay gold on top of silver. XAU-USD. Okay, so what you see is the burgundy line, the maroon line is gold. So see how gold was leading silver in the initial days of the bull market. See that here? Say from 08 all the way till November of 2010. Gold is leading, is above silver, you can see that. And then silver took off and over to gold in percentage wise, and look at the shoot up. How fast it rose and how high it rose. And then it came down, and then it started going down. It's the same pace as gold. But then it over to gold to the downside. So silver is basically gold, but on steroids. So anytime gold is making extreme moves, silver is going to give you that much more in the upward move, and vice versa. But as long as the prices are not aggressively going up or down, they're going sideways or a little bit up or a little bit low, silver tends to lag gold. And that is what happened here in 08, 09. And then 2010, boom, for that 1 year, it was absolutely parabolic. And that is exactly what is happening now, if you see. So silver is following gold. See, the bottom one is silver, but it's underperforming gold. Gold has taken off. Gold is breaking all-time highs, and now is silver's time. So once silver breaks its high and it percentage-wise goes above gold, guys, it is going to be a trade of a lifetime. It is going to make fortunes. And we at Edge Forex are going to be on top of that. But even from here, once it breaks this flag to the upside, to catch up to gold, let's see if I can draw an arrow here. So from here, there's a lot of catching up to do. So once it catches up, then it's a long way to go even now, but once it does, guys, it's going to be absolute mania. But even from now here to catching up to where gold's at, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So I am keeping a very close watch on where things are with silver. And when it comes out of this flag, guys, it's time to jump in, and it's jump in big time, because this ride is going to be absolutely for the keepers. It's going to be once in a lifetime. You'll be telling your kids that, hey, remember this chart? You see that up leg, that mania that started, in 2024, 2025, that you were able to say that, hey, we actually rode that from the absolute bottom. So that's the kind of returns we are talking about. I'm talking 100, 200, 300, 400% return in matter of months to a couple of years. So I think silver needs to confirm gold's move, which I think is going to do. But when it plays that catch up, we want to catch that wave. And then I'm also looking at my favorite silver stock is, one second, let me get rid of this gold chart. All right. Let me remove the drawings also. Is Wheaton Precious Metals. So that's what I follow when I'm looking at a precious metal chart, primarily silver chart. And this has not broken out yet. It is very close to its all-time highs, but it has not broken out. So once silver breaks out of its flag pattern, and once this particular stock breaks out of its all-time highs, that is my confirmation to jump on the silver bandwagon. Because we're already in gold. We're not in silver. We're in gold. We are going to then jump into silver for the long term, because we want to capture the entire move. Again, when we get in, we're going to go in with a very small trade. So, for example, if I want to, I'm just making this number up. I want to, say, trade worth, say, $10,000. So I would only open, say, $500 worth of trade initially. And then I would keep adding that trade as the price is moving up, because we want to ride the price all the way up to 50, 60, 70, 80, $100. Because that's the kind of potential we are looking at with silver, with the kind of breakout it's going to have out, because we're coming out of a 13, 14 year consolidation, guys. That's a very, very long period. So once again, the price breaks that flag formation, and then WPM, the Wheaton Precious Metal, it goes above its all-time high. That is our signal. Jump right in. So I think that's about it. So let me know if you guys like me to cover any more on precious metals, or if you guys had enough for now. Just let me know in the comments. All right, guys? Thank you.